Hello, I'm Jeff Solomon, and I'm standing right here on the ground where we once had a very nice jacuzzi that we had to take out after the Northridge earthquake. And as you can see here, we have a beautiful view of the valley here. And in my old age, I've got a bad back and an ankle that's had a few surgeries on it, so we really would certainly love to have a jacuzzi here.
Hi, my name's Lorraine Solomon, and welcome to our backyard. I love to entertain, and we like to use the outdoor, but this outdoor configuration just doesn't work real well. Number one is the overhang. It's nice, but I'd love to have a solid overhang so we can use it more year-round. Also, I'd love to have electricity so we don't have these fun little lights here. And we'd love to have like a built-in kitchen or something so we can actually cook out here. Our barbecue, it's not our barbecue, our fire pit is a great thing, but we're afraid to turn it on because we have gas lines running under, and with the recent earthquakes and things, we're just not sure that's safe. My last concern is we like to have a lot of families over with small children, and they don't feel real safe because we have, with the view, we have this beautiful cliff down here, and people are afraid their children will fall down. I think it'd be great to have a deck out here that we can expand our entertainment area. Thanks for considering us.
Oh, hi! I didn't see you there. My name is Ryan Solomon, and I'd like to share with you why I want to have our backyard redone. You know, being a teenager, I like to have some of my friends over, and there's really nothing we can do out here besides stare at scenery, and that's really not my thing. So I think a jacuzzi would be really nice to have out here. And also like a beverage bar, a barbecue, maybe a nice little flat screen up there so we can watch movies while we're out here. You know, a surround sound system. You know, all of these I wouldn't complain if they were implanted into our backyard. Thank you.